It's time to have a message from the future because a lot of stuff is coming out. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. It's time for a message from the future because we're going to talk about some awesome stuff on the channel today. Yes, a lot of new stuff I'm going to buy from our friends from China because I want to review it here on the channel. I want to know what it is. So, alright. The first thing. The Pandora Moonlight Box 39. So, we're having a new kind of Pandora box. Yes, we have a new Pandora box version. It's also called 9. Why, people? So this is more like, let's say we're going to get a new generation. They are stepping off the Pandora box huge sticks and they are bringing us, let's say, more like home consoles with controllers. This is more like a hybrid version because we're having a small tiny arcade machine, as you can see here, and we're having a controller. So this is what you're going to get with this version. The pricings, yeah, this one's sent, I don't know why he does it, but he asks a lot of shipping costs, but as you can see, the normal price, 17 bucks. It's getting way cheaper too. It comes with all the basic cabling, HDMI, VGA, so it's more like a little bit, that's the reason why I'm calling this an hybrid version. Still a little Pandora box, but you can connect your controller to it. Alright, that brings us next to the next topic. Alright, we're having the Pandora Box 9D. And I already did a review about this, but this one is special. And the reason why, this one can be used like a mainboard or a game console. I did try it with my mainboard, I ripped it out and I tried to connect some controllers, but it didn't work at all. So this one has been modified, set up, you can plug it into your television, you can plug in the controllers and you can just play it. As you can see, it's 70 bucks, more like the same like the other version. It's a Pandora Box 9D. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of this one. It has some 3D games, it got a lot of good games. If I'm saying it correctly, Mortal Kombat runs like shit. So if you want to play the game, that's not going to work with this one. But this is what you're going to get. As you can see, I don't have this option at all. I tried it, I looked it up. I tried it with my own Pandora Box 9D, but that's some weird stuff, really weird. So yeah, this is a version I really like to review on the channel. Next topic. Alright, so this version, this is pretty weird. It only comes with one controller. I don't know what kind of housing this is, but it looks pretty weird. It looks tiny. So if this measurement is correctly compared with the controller, it's the same size like the controller. So I'm thinking, what kind of mainboard do we have in this one? If you look at this, it's the Moonlight version, so no idea what kind of version. I have never received one of these main boards, so I'm very curious. So I want to review this one on the channel to show myself what are we going to get. Information, basic stuff, nothing special. Comes with a basic rip-off PlayStation, 2 controllers, wireless, dongle, but the USB connection at the same position like HDMI. Alright. So this is what you're going to get with this one. Very curious, what are we going to get? So it looks like a really tiny, yeah, looks like a really tiny mainboard. Alright, so that brings us to the last one. From the Pandora Box 3H game store. We have now, and this is really funny, if you look at the casing itself, this one comes with my dual arcade. Pandora Box 6 official one. So they're reusing the console, or they're reusing the casing itself. That's pretty cool, but we have different versions, so let's see. The price can be a bit different because they are on sale now. But if you look at this, for not a lot of money, around 70 bucks again, you're having a system, complete plug and play with the 9D again. Yep, and again the 9D. I don't know. There is something with this 9D that you can use like a home console. And a little bit expensive, you can buy the one with the wireless controllers if you like. So how good the wireless controllers are, I don't know. I like the arcade sticks I have, they work just fine. So the 9D, again, not the best collection out there, so I have really no clue why they are doing this. But yep, new products coming to the channel. It's time for the message from the future. And we're going to talk about a lot of crazy stuff, a lot of awesome product coming in, and I'm hoping it's good. Yeah, the 90, yeah, the 90, it sucks, so it sucks in many ways, but for the money, we can't complain. Alright, so to conclude this video, I hope you liked it. I hope you liked this update, massive update of all the new products coming in. So, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.